you guys want to get a Skool community for completely free, make sure you go ahead and watch till the end of today's video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First off, what you guys are going to do is you're going to want to go to the first link in the description, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on it. After you guys click on it, it is going to redirect you to a page just like this. As long as you can see you were referred by Gibson Ost, that means that you're in the right place. All you got to do after this is you got to create your own Skool account, put in your first name, your last name, your email, and a password, and go ahead and sign up. And that is going to then redirect you to where you guys can get a 14-day completely free trial of Skool. All you guys need to do after you go ahead and create your account is that you then need to put in your group name as well as your billing information, and then you will immediately be given a free Skool community for the next 14 days. Just to show you guys that this method works, this is my Skool community. It is called F University. We essentially teach anybody how to go from literally only having $1 in their bank account to becoming a millionaire. As you guys can see, we have 4 courses here taking you from 1 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, 100,000 to a million, as well as a 100K no risk credit funding guide and a personal branding guide. And I have created this entire community with only the free trial. As you guys can see, we already have a good amount of members, and I've been able to fill out every single one of the courses in only a couple days, as well as the about section. If you guys actually go ahead and check out F University, which will be the second link in the description after the Skool sign up, and you guys actually watch this video listed right here, it's going to teach you 2 things. Number 1, it's going to teach you a working method that anybody can use to literally make $1,000 today. Second off, it's going to teach you exactly how to get into F University for completely free lifetime. It doesn't matter what the price is at. If you guys follow the method listed in that video, you will get into F University for completely free. On top of that, if you guys actually get into F University today, you will be grandfathered in at whatever price it is. I'm currently planning on increasing the price of F University to about $100 a month because the value I've put inside is way too good for the price point that I've put it at. So if you guys are interested in getting it at its current price, you will be grandfathered into that price permanently. Make sure to join F University right now. But with that being said, what are the ways of getting your Skool community for completely free? These methods have actually been proposed by Alex Hormozi himself, and there's 3 methods. Number 1, you go ahead and create your own Skool, and you charge $100 a month, and you only get 1 person, which, to be honest, that is way too easy for anybody not to do, especially since you guys will have the 14 days free trial provided you use the link in the description. The second method is to invite 3 other people to Skool. You'd make about $120 a month provided that they have their Skool community running, which should obviously cover the $100 plus some change of a Skool community. Finally, the last method is dropping unnecessary expenses off of your balance sheet. You probably didn't need to go to Mickey D's the 10 times this month. You probably could have only gotten away with it once. And just with getting rid of 5 of those, you would have the money for your Skool community and some change. Meaning that you guys could even put that money into something like running ads and growing your community even more. If you guys aren't sure how to use Skool, or if you're not sure that Skool is for you, I made a full guide and review of Skool, which is going to be included in the description as well. You guys could also go ahead and check out my channel because I have a bunch more methods on this channel of how to get completely free stuff. With that all being said, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.